official from DepDep, members of the Board of Judges, fellow innovators and guests, most especially to all the finalists of 2026 Presidential Innovation Award Luzon Subnational Competition. Isang palang araw po sa ating lahat. Standing here today, I still something it's quite hard to believe. And to be honest po, I was never comfortable speaking in front of them. Because many people, I stage fright po ako before I was already nervous speaking in front of 7 people. But today, I am here speaking before all of you. There was an even time I almost did not want to continue joining competitions like this because I am not a public speaker. But I realized one thing, if I will not speak for my innovation, who will? The Balangkat Palay Cedar was not created overnight. It was 4 years in the making. It started as a simple idea, but it was built through many trials, adjustments, failures, and learnings. My greatest inspiration was my mother, Aling Tina. She represents the hardworking Filipino farmer, someone who continues to work, plant, and hope that even farming makes planting easier, faster, and more affordable for our farmers. The idea started when I was still abroad, but my heart was always with the Filipino farmers. I kept thinking about the struggles, the high cost of labor, the lack of availability of farm workers, the difficulty of planting on time, and the uncertainty brought by changing weather conditions. But the journey was never easy. At first, many people doubted the technology. Some said it will not work. Some were hesitant because they were used to the traditional planting methods. And then I understand them because in farming, trust is not gained through words. Trust is gained through results. Kaya hindi sapat sabihin ko maganda ang palatak. Kailangan makita nila mismo sa bukid. Slowly, when farmers saw the results, they began to believe. They saw the Balangkat could help reduce labor, lower planting costs, save seeds, and still produce good field performance. From doubt, there was a trust. From hesitation, there was an acceptance. And today, in the span of 1.5 years, Balangkat was reached 72 provinces nationwide. For me, this is not just a business milestone. It is a proof that Filipino-made innovation can answer Filipino problems. Hindi kailangan laging important ang solusyon. Kaya natin mga Pilipino na gumawa ng teknolohiya angkop sa pangangailangan ng kapwa natin Pilipino. Another important realizations in my journey is this. I was already a senior. But I believe it is not too late to create something meaningful. Age should never be a hindrance when your purpose is to help others. As long as the innovations can bring good to our fellow Filipinos, especially to our farmers, then it's always worth pursuing. Kahit senior na po tayo, hindi po natin huli ang lahat. Basta para magkabubuti ng kapwa Pilipino, kailangan natin pagpatuloy at pagyamanin at ipaglaban ang ating mga ideas. But we also have to accept one sad reality. Many inventors have good ideas, but without enough capital. It is very difficult to commercialize and bring this innovation to the market. Hindi po madali ang mag-invento. At lalong hindi madali ang mag-produce, mag-scale up, at dalhin ang produkto sa maraming tao. That is why the government support was very important. I sincerely thank the DOST Maroka for believing the Balangkat, encouraging me for the beginning and serving me as one of the backbone of my innovations journey. Your support helped introduce me invention for more farmers and communities. I am also deeply grateful to DepDep for the recognition and assistance through the Presidential Field Innovation Award. The 2.5 million pesos assistance was a big help in procuring 100 units of 3D printers and establishing our 48 kilowatt high-free off-grid solar power system. This system helps ensure continuous and reliable operation even during the power interruption and supports more sustainable way of manufacturing our technology. Because of this, our production became more stable and more prepared to respond to the growing demand of Balanta. Maraming salamat po sa DepEd. Because this award and recognition, I became more inspired to continue. You did not only support the technology, you also strengthened the confidence of our local innovators. That is why I truly believe that the Presidential Field Innovation Award is very meaningful platform. It gives local innovators the opportunity to seen, heard, supported, and recognized. To all the finalists today, congratulations. Whether you receive the top award or not, you're already a winners. Being a finalist in the sub-Luzons of national competition is already a great honor. It means your innovation has a value. Your idea has potential, and your work can create impact. This competition spark more innovations in you. You do not discourage by fear, doubt, or failure. Every innovation begins with problem, but it grows through courage, persistence, and faith. I stand before you as not a perfect speaker, but an inventor who chooses to continue despite fear. I believe in the problem I want to solve. I believe the farmers I want to help. I believe that Filipino innovation deserves place in the future of our country. The Palakak Palay Seeder is more than the machine. It is a story of a mother's aspirations, a farmer's struggle, an inventor's persistence, a government trust, of a local innovations. To my fellow innovators, let us continue creating solutions for our people. Dahil kaya natin, kaya ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Director.